Bedtime. The time you go to bed. My bedtime is usually 10 p.m. The children are ready for bedtime. Pajamas. Clothes worn for sleeping. I put on my pajamas before going to bed. She bought new pajamas for winter. Sleep. The natural state of resting with eyes closed. I usually sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. He sleeps deeply after a long day. Blanket. A warm covering used in bed. I pulled the blanket over myself. She bought a soft blanket for winter nights. Pillow. A cushion used to support the head during sleep. I hug my pillow when I sleep. He fluffed his pillow before lying down. Mattress. The soft part of the bed you lie on. The mattress is very comfortable. She bought a new mattress last month. Alarm. A device to wake you up. I set the alarm for 6 a.m. The alarm woke me up suddenly. Dream. Images or thoughts experienced during sleep. I had a strange dream last night. She dreams about traveling the world. Snore. To breathe loudly while sleeping. He snores loudly at night. I can hear my brother snoring from the other room. Night light. A small light used while sleeping. I use a night light in my room. The baby sleeps better with a night light. Bed. Furniture for sleeping. I jumped into bed after a long day. The bed is very cozy and soft. Sleepy. Feeling ready to sleep. I feel sleepy after dinner. The child looked sleepy and yawned. Doze. To sleep lightly for a short time. I dozed off while watching TV. He dozed in the chair after work. Relax. To rest and calm the mind. I relax before going to bed. She listens to music to relax. Night. The period of darkness between evening and morning. The stars shine brightly at night. We like to take walks at night. Insomnia. Difficulty in falling or staying asleep. He suffers from insomnia sometimes. Reading before bed helps with insomnia. Sleep mask. A mask worn over eyes to block light. I wear a sleep mask for a better sleep. She bought a silk sleep mask for traveling. Rest. To stop working and recover energy. I need rest after a busy day. Rest is important for health. Yawn. To open mouth wide due to tiredness. I couldn't stop yawning during the movie. She yawned and stretched before bed. Good night. A phrase said before sleeping. I whispered goodnight to my parents. He said goodnight and turned off the lights.